You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Ombudsperson. I know it's a strange word, isn't it? I'm not actually very sure what it means. Ombudsperson is how you say it. Ombudsperson. The stress is on the first syllable. What does it mean? Let us know in the comments. Ombudsperson. Ombudsperson is how to say it, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.